Hey guys, this is Mona Pignon with Coldwell Banker Preferred Realtors. I am here at Caliber Collision's car show. This is the second annual car show, and I'll be interviewing Josh, who is the regional manager, general manager of the company. Josh, tell me about yourself.
Myself?
Yeah, tell me about yourself.
Well, I've been with Caliber since 2001. I love cars. I love to give back to the community, love to interact with people, and I love the fact that we're just helping each other out.
Right. So this is your second annual car show. What inspired you to even start the car show here?
So myself, Mom, and my general manager, Austin, were out to lunch, and we're sitting there talking. I said, "Hey guys, we got a crazy idea." We're like, "What's up?" I said, "Let's have a car show." Why? Because people need to get out.
Yep.
We want to get the industry back out, get back to the community, and let vendors pop little booths, local business owners. We have a lot of land. If why not get back to the community,
Sure.
let them pop a booth and be able to show and promote what they have to offer,
Right.
so they can build their business.
Right.
So big business helping little business, and helping everybody out.
To just pan out, the lowrider industry is really big in California, all over the United States and even the world. Having the lowriders is huge. What made you want to choose lowriders as your car of choice? Is it something that you're already into?
No.
Okay.
I'm into cars. Okay, we fix cars for a living.
Sure.
It just happens that a lot of lowriders are here in Bakersfield.
Right.
So we're not just after the lowriders. That's just the majority of them.
Yeah.
But that's a lot of clubs of lowriders.
Sure.
Trying to get a broad band of them.
Yeah.
But this is the majority of them are lowriders.
Right.
So that's why we get a lot of lowriders.
So you have plans to expand your categories.
Correct.
Right on. And I know that because my husband's part of the bike club, I know that them having the bikes out here was a little bit inspiring to maybe add more bikes, right? As a category.
Yes, actually, we just talked about that every year that we have it.
Yeah.
We talk about what we can learn from it for the next
Sure.
years. This year, we promoted the food drive.
Yeah.
So the food drive is also to get back to the community.
Sure.
All the cars that showed up, everybody donated $25, and those $25 go directly to the kids' food drive. So the kids that depend on the food that they get for free at school,
Yeah.
but they don't get over the summer.
Right.
That money goes towards that, so the Prince County food bank.
To keep it going.
To keep it going.
Right on.
So
Right on.
that's another reason why we did the car show.
Do you have plans to change locations, or is this the place where you want to keep it?
This is the place we want to keep it.
Okay.
We don't want to mix it up and say different places. Yes, we have 9 different locations here in Bakersfield, but we just want to be consistent. The time every year have it this time.
Sure.
Same location, so it's just an annual thing.
Put it in the rotation.
Put it in rotation.
Right.
So it's just,
Thank you so much, Josh, for taking time to chat with me today. I'm very blessed to be a part of this community, and I look forward to working with you in the future.
thank you.
If you would like more information on Caliber Collision's car show, reach out to them and see how you can be more involved in the community and helping children in need over the summer have sustainable food during the summer.